Well, go on, everybody. This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the fourth official. Make sure you hit a like and subscribe to the channel. Today, we want to do a quick recap of the midweek games in the Prem, touch on a few things with Arsenal, Liverpool, Manchester United, and we're going to talk about this thing that's going on about around social media around Manchester United fans, and it's zonal marking. And I'm going to prove to you guys that you really don't know nothing about football. So make sure you get a pen, piece of paper, take notes. All right, so Arsenal drew 1-1 with Southampton, and you have to say that even though they came back and scored a goal, which they can't seem to do this season, Arsenal looked a little bit different this game. They looked like they were about to create something, and then another red card. This is like the third red card in 4 games, which can only mean that there's a discipline problem at Arsenal. So their defensive coordinator for coach, Mikel Arteta, cannot seem to keep his guys in order. Like, you ought to know on the field of play what you should and should not be doing to prevent this team from going down like that. Like, Pepe's red card was shit. We all know that. He was wrong. Xhaka, no difference. Everyone looked so scared and timid to make a mistake in that Arsenal versus Southampton game that you could tell that there was just one rash decision away from getting sent off, and Gabriel did that. 2 tackles. One against Shea Adams and the other one against Theo Walcott. Theo Walcott spun the crap out of him, bro. He was gone, and boom, he took him down, yellow card, and now he's off. So you have to ask yourself, why are these Arsenal players so willing to get red cards in the game? Because they have no discipline. These Arsenal players have no fear of being reprimanded when they do stuff like that to cause the team's games. If you think about it, Pepe got the red card and he played in the next game in the Europa League. Where's the punishment? Xhaka got the red card and his coach went on TV 2 minutes late after the game saying, oh, he has a lot of passion. What would be the repercussion for Gabriel getting a red card? He can't, because he didn't punish the previous 2. So the indiscipline just continues, bro. These players at Arsenal are just crap. The coach, crap. The players, crap. Arsenal, crap. Down to Liverpool, the league's second most prolific defensive striker has scored, and was a damn sweet header by Firmino. Can't really complain. Tottenham, parking the bus mentality just didn't work out for them. It's kind of sad. However, kudos to Firmino. Nice header. We know he's going to go straight back to ground zero again because, again, he's a prolific defensive striker. He's not really there to score if you listen to Liverpool fans. So, yeah. We all know who the leading most prolific striker in the Prem is.
Now miss you. 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 Now miss you.
Anyways, changing gears a little bit to Manchester United. Now, I don't tell you, man, are you waste man out there talking about Manchester United this and Manchester United that? Write this down right now. We will be on top of the league by the end of December. Going into 2021, we are going to lead the league. Because we have a half-decent running in December, where the next 4 or 5 games is going to be should be winning relatively easily. Except for Leeds, it might be a bigger challenge. But I am thinking that Manchester United will be the top of the league at the end of December. And for all you waste man out there who keep on blaming Maguire for everything, let me explain something to you. I've seen people on Twitter saying that goal that Manchester United conceded against Sheffield was Maguire's fault because of his positioning and because of the way he played the ball back to Henderson. Henderson took a touch, looked up, took another touch, and then kicked it straight onto the attacker. Henderson had Victor Lindelof right there to his left, where he could have passed the ball to. With Victor Lindelof was hugging the touchline. Or he could have kicked the ball out. He was trying to give the ball to Pogba, which if Burke didn't catch the ball, big up yourself, Burke, then McGoldrick should have get the ball in the front, right there covering Pogba. So we were a lose-lose situation regardless because of Henderson. How is that Maguire's fault? The only reason why them man scored that goal in the 5th minute or whatnot was because Henderson a double agent. 007 in the pan. And then lastly, let me explain something to you guys. And remember I said get a pen? Now is the time to take notes. Let me know when you're ready to copy. Because zonal marking, people, is not the reason why Manchester United are conceding. Zonal marking cannot be the reason. I need you guys to stop blaming Harry Maguire every time someone wins a header in the box. Yes, Harry Maguire is great in the air. Harry Maguire wins a lot of his headers. But let me explain something to you why zonal marking is not the reason Manchester United are conceding goals at corners. Here's why. you're saying that Harry Maguire should be marking their best attacker in the air. So if you take Harry Maguire and put him on a Van Dijk when Van Dijk comes into the box for a corner, and Van Dijk then moves to the back post, then Harry Maguire has to follow his mark, yeah? So if Harry Maguire moves to the back of the 18-yard box, and then the corner comes in, which goes into the middle of the 6-yard box, all of a sudden you don't have your most dominant player in the air to go up and head the ball away. That is why Harry Maguire cannot be marking anyone in the box. Him, all of the top players, Matic, Cavani, when they're in there, they should not be marking anyone, because let's be honest, you cannot mark someone effectively on a corner. The only thing you can do as a defender when you're defending a corner is making sure that you're staying with your man and try to impede him and not have a clear path to the goal. So you cannot have Harry Maguire running around the box following one man. Harry Maguire should be holding his position right there between the 6-yard and the goal. So when the ball comes in, he's able to attack the ball, not defend his defender. There are other players around here supposed to be impeding their attackers, bro. I know that I've said a lot, and you are probably one of them man who think wine make grapes, so you don't really think straight, but write that down. Zonal marking is not a thing, bro. Quick side note, the music that you hear in the background, that's my little cousin. His name is Wasi. Big up my cousin on his new hit single. It's called X. Go ahead and find it on YouTube. Listen, give it a share. Dancehall music is the best. Hit the like button. Leave a comment down at the bottom. Make sure you subscribe and share the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching the 4th Official. My name is Rome. You guys have been great. You waste man have been awesome. Manas.